It's Friday and the bulls were happy by the time the week ended because the week was treacherous, but the ending was quite good. And three or four things happened which would lead bulls to believe that maybe they have some more going for the market over the next few days. One is that there was quite a bit of bargain buying. It was not just short covering. The second was that earnings changed sentiment today. 8 out of 10 earnings today were good and were a beat on estimates on the positive side, and that too from the large cap companies. So that was quite good. And finally, of course, next week we don't have the Chinese sword hanging on our shoulders. We don't have the Chinese market trading next week. So that's one overhang gone from the market. So all in all, it was a good day. Let's talk about some of the stocks that led the market move. There were 3 or 4 stocks of the day. Lupin was easily your stock of the day. The management commentary was extremely bullish after a very strong Q3. They believe Q4 would be even better, and the stock was up 9%. Eicher Motors as well, 7% higher on that stock. And Tata Steel, while it's up 3.5%, in the morning it was down 6.5%. So from the lows, it was a 10% recovery in Tata Steel. Apart from that, banks led the market today on the way up. So stocks like SBI, ICICI, Bank of Baroda, they were all higher in trade, even Axis as well. Some other nifty gainers today included stocks like Vedanta, Kent, Tata Motors. All of these stocks up between 3.5% to 4.5%. There were some losers as well. The market did not like the transaction on Bosch, where they're selling one of its unit to the parent company at throwaway valuation, 5% lower on that stock. GAIL was down 3.5%. And Maruti, there's a problem for the stock now, 2% lower again in trade today. Outside the index, big gainers today. Vijaya Bank reacting to what looked like a good set of numbers, up 16%. Jet Airways was up 8%. Dishman Pharma, again, a good set of numbers. The stock was up 8%. Some more mid-cap gainers today included stocks like Suzlon, which had a big intraday rally. Union Bank was up 6%, and Reliance Infra was up about 7%. All in all, a good day. But again, the market has now gone back to that zone of congestion. It will be interesting to see if next week the market can take that out.
Right, thanks, Anuj, for joining us with that.